Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to change the Instagram password. But before getting started, don't forget to subscribe our channel and make sure you hit the bell icon below so that you get notified each and every single time we upload a new informative video for you. Let's get started. First things first, directly go to your pre-installed Instagram app. From here, go to your home page. As you see the three lines at the top right, tap on that and directly go to Settings. After that, go to Security, tap on Password, and as you see this page, put your current password, but make sure that you're slow and patient while typing to avoid any errors. After typing the current password, type the password of your choice that you want to set in. Confirm the password. And as you're done, directly click on the tick mark at the top right. You'll receive a notification with password saved. If you want to check, you can log in with your new password. Thank you for being with us and watching our YouTube video. If you have any queries, doubts, or feedbacks, please mention it in the comment section below and we'll make sure to reply each and every one of you. Thank you.